All right, so guys, I'm going to be using this cube, our default cube, to build our ground floor. So because we are going to be texturing this cube, right, instead of just pressing S to scale and maybe putting on the Y-axis, right, it's going to cause some deformation when we apply our image textures. So I'm just going to do it the proper way, right? I am going to, let me just go with this view, the X-axis. I'm just going to go to my edit mode, right? And then face selection, select this face and use my move tool. I'll just zoom out and then I'm just gonna pull it up to the sides, right? This face, pull it up to the side, right? So I think this should be enough for me for my ground, right? Yes, so the next thing, right? Let me just go to this view, right? The flat view, which is the Y axis. Yeah, so this is gonna be our ground floor, right? So the next thing I'm gonna build our character. Yeah, the guy that's going to be jumping and killing all the enemies, right? So go back to object mode, shift A, let's add a cube. Yeah, I think a cube should work. Yeah, let's add a cube. The cube, just going to move it up. Going to push it this way, right? Yeah. So press S to scale, shift Z to scale it in every axis aside the Z axis, right? So to have it like a rectangle vibe. So I am going to add bevel, right? Go to tab, edit mode. Make sure it's selected and press Ctrl B and just extend the mouse and use your scroll wheel to add some bevels, right? I think this is okay for me. Sorry, I'm just going to do it again. Ctrl B, extend the mouse. I want it to be very round. Yes, I think this should work. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, so I think this is fine for me. By me, press tab and right click on your object and click on shade smooth. Right, yeah, nothing crazy. Basically, nothing crazy. So let's add shift A, add a go to mesh, add a UV sphere just for the head. Just bring this the Y view. You'll have it this way. Scale it down because it's too gigantic. It depends. Except you want a very big head. So right click and shade smooth. Yeah. So we have this as the body. So I'm just going to join this together. So this is already selected, right? So hold shift and select the body and press Ctrl J. So it's already joined as one object. You can see that, right? So Ctrl Z to undo. Yeah, so we have our ground floor on our character, right? Real quick. So let's just quickly add the obstacle. Yeah, so shift A. I'm going to use let me use a cylinder this time, right? Yeah, cylinder. Let's add our first obstacle course. Let's add this, right? Yeah. So I'm going to scale it down a bit. Press S to scale, hold Shift Z to scale it in a narrow axis, right? It's going to be narrow this way. Yeah, so this is fine by me, right? So I think I'm still going to duplicate this, Shift D on the Z axis, press Z to bring it up, and then press S to scale Z axis, bring this way, and then S to scale Shift Z and make it wide. So we have the base of our tunnel where our character is going to come on. So scale it down a bit. It's quite big. Yes, yes. So this is okay. I mean, so I'm going to join them together, right? Hold Shift and select the second cylinder and press Ctrl J to join them. Yeah, so we have our first obstacle, right? So let's duplicate this, right? Hold Shift D, press X, and then bring this way. Let's do one more. Shift D X, bring this way, and just move this here like this. Yeah, I'll put one enemy here and then two enemies here, and then our victory, our home. We're going to build a house here. Yeah. So I'm going to make this enemy's apartment smaller, shorter instead. Then this, I'll just make it higher. So I'll just S to scale on Z axis. Oh, that might be wrong, right? Just select the object, go to object mode and go to edit mode. Go to face selection and select the base and just push it down this way instead. Yeah, maybe it's better to do it this way. And then go to tab to go to object mode, and then we have this. Let's see. Yeah, I think this is fine by me, right? Yeah. So let's extend this ground floor. Select the ground floor and go to your object mode, edit mode rather, and select this face, right? And then just extend it. So we can build the house at this point. Let me extend it further, but let me extend this too. So we'll have more room. We're not buying land space, so we are free to extend it as far as we want to and just get more creative with it, right? Yeah. So go back to object mode, right? So finally, let's build the character's house. Shift A, mesh. Let's add a cylinder. Just bring it in here. Let's say this is the house. Yeah, yeah. Let's just see it here. Let me go to this Y view. Sorry, click on the Y again. So I'm going to press S to scale. Let's make it quite big. I think this is fine. Make it bigger a bit. Yeah. So let's just place it properly on our ground level. Yeah, have it like this. Yeah. Yeah. Anyways, our ground level is very thin, so let's just make it wide enough to accommodate this space, even if it might not be necessary. But let's just do it. So go to your edit mode, select this side of the face, and just extend it. Yeah. Do the same to the side and just extend it. Yeah. So for now, let's just have that. Let me just bring this down for a bit. Yeah. Okay. So this is good. So we have our basic house here. So let's add a cone to add a roof. So let's go back to object mode. Yeah. So we're gonna like I press our shift A mesh, add a cone, and we just bring it to the X axis, to the Z axis. Yeah, let's see. So press S to scale. Let me be on this view. So bring it up this way so you can have your simple roof. If it's too high, you can just press S to scale Z axis and just scale it down a bit and just bring it down this way. Yeah, and then you have your the roof of the apartment of the house. Yeah, so I think that does it, right? So let's add our enemies. So you can add let's just use you can add any object in particular. You can add the you can add sphere. I think I use sphere in class, or you can add the monkey head. Shift A, go to mesh. You can use the monkey, right? Yeah. In fact, let's use the monkey head. Just delete this. Press X to delete. Let's use the monkey head instead, right? Yeah. So let's rotate R to rotate Z axis. Just rotate it to face the character, like not fully sideways, but this way, so we can see the face, right? Just scale it down a bit. It's quite big. It's quite huge. Yeah. So this is our first enemy. Yes, that will be taken down. Yeah. So let's duplicate this. Shift D on X axis. One enemy here, and then let's make it two. Shift D X axis. Let's make this two. Yeah, and then Shift D for the final boss X. Put it here. And then let's scale this, make it very big for the final balls, right? So put it up here. Yeah, and rotate it if you want. Just go creative, whatever you want to create. Yeah. So these are our final balls, right? So we have four enemies to kill. So we're gonna have our character here jumping to this point from here, kill, jump here, kill, jump here, and then kill this, and then run home, basically. So that's just going to be our short animation assignment for this project. Yeah, so we have our basic shape locked down, right? We are going to shade it to have basic color. So you go to your material preview, then select your main character and go to shader, new, just pick a color, right? So I think I'm gonna go for green now. Just go, just go for something different. Um, okay, let's go for red. The red tone size. Go. Let's do orange. Do orange, right? So I'm gonna make it shiny. So on the metallic, increase the metallic to maybe around 0.6 and reduce the roughness. Maybe like 0.3 is fine, right? So this is fine for me. Yes. So next select the tunnel, add a new material. You can name it tunnel so that you know what you're doing, right? Tunnel. Let's make that green. Let's give it shiny material, metal, and increase the if I increase the metallic more. Yes, so this works for our metal. So select this and add use this icon here and drop down. You see your material slots. So select tunnel here and the last one here, select tunnel. So for our enemy, right? Just add a new one. Rename the material to enemy and just let's make it red. Red is known for danger. Yeah. So increase the shininess a bit. So let's make it really shiny. Yeah, so same thing, select the next one and click this icon and look for enemy material, same as this, enemy material, yeah. And let's do the final boss, big, the big guy, red. Yeah, and so for the ground as well, right, select the ground floor. You can name it, all right, so ground floor. You can change the color to like a clay color, right, like brown soil, or whatever color you choose to give it. Yeah, so let's go with this for now. Sorry, I don't like my character. Let me change it to yellow instead. Just go to yellow, make it vibrant a bit. Okay, yeah. So let's just go with this. For the apartment, you can put it any color you want. Let's just use the general color for now. Just for now. For now. So I'm going to join this together. Select the roof and then shift and hold the select the body. Press Ctrl J to join the body and then we have it as one mesh. So Ctrl Z to land. Yeah, so we have this basic setup for our animation to begin, right? So if you notice the tunnel, I did not shade smooth because I like the line. It gives it this retro looking vibe. Yeah, so I'll leave it as shade flat. Yeah, so I'm okay. So maybe this guys I might just shade smooth. Yeah, if you want to, you can do that. Yeah, I'm making shade smooth. Yeah. Okay, so now we've build our assets, we build our environment, right? Very tiny environment. Yeah. So now let's head to animation. Okay, I'm going to extend our timeline up this way a bit. So I'll be selecting our main character. Yeah. So I'm going to be changing the the pivots from here to the base. So just come to your 3D cursor, select it and select the base of your character. So right click on your character and go to snap, set origin, set origin to 3D cursor, right? So when you use your move tool, you're moving it from the base so that you can rotate from the base and scale from the base as well. Yeah, so we're going to see why we need that shortly. Yeah. Okay, so from frame one, I'm going to be inputting the keyframe. Key, let's use our location to, let's say, frame 20. Let's just move to the next point, which is here. And K for keyframe location. Let's take it back and see. Yeah, so this is too much. I'm going to take it to like frame 15, around 15. Let me reduce our timeline to like 100 for now. Yeah, so let's do 15 now here. Take the first frame to frame 1. I think I mistakenly moved everything backwards. Yeah, so let's have this. So frame 1, it's for on the ground. At frame 15, it's on the tunnel. So we're going to go to the middle, maybe around frame 8, and just push it upward to give it the arc. Press I and keyframe location, right? And we have this simple jump, right? First jump. So go to frame 25 for rest. Keyframe location as well, right? And then let's jump maybe 23, jump on the first enemy right here. So keyframe it location, right? So take it back. I'm gonna have this. So just go to somewhere in the middle, maybe 29 for me. Take it up and keyframe. So the same logic applies to the rest of the enemies. Jump, rest, jump, rest, jump, and then you can allow it to kind of rest, right? So you can use the timeline at a pacing for how long you want the character to rest before jumping. So jump, rest, jump. Yeah, I'll let you rest for like on 45 frame. So I'm going to keyframe it again, location, then maybe at frame 54, the next point, which is here, and then keyframe location, right? So let's see how that works. Play, jump, yeah, that works. So go to somewhere in the middle, the same thing, but you take it up. So you can have this arc jumping, not just going straight. So you're gonna like arch up this way. So keyframe location, just same thing that way, right? Yeah. Let's take it back. Jump, 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 yeah. And then let's rest a bit, jump, rest. So at 66, we're going to keyframe location, I'm gonna rest here. And then to let's say 74, we're gonna jump on this second enemy guy, keyframe your location, and go back to the middle as usual. Take it up for that jumping effect. Keyframe your location again here. Jump, jump, jump. So from here to go like jump, jump. So we're gonna go jump, jump, and then jump. Let's say jump, jump. Yeah, around here. Just move it to the next enemy and keyframe location, right? Then go back to the middle as usual, right? And then just take it up to have the jump. And then yeah. So let's have it now. Jump, jump, jump. Yeah, exactly what I want. So now I'm close to the end of my timeline. So I'm going to extend it. So just left click to drag, right? Let it to my timeline. If you need more space, yes. So we're here now. Jump, jump, then jump again. No time for resting this time. Jump, jump. Let's make it rest a bit. Let's keyframe here on 90. Add the location. Then from here, it's going to take a jump at 98. So let's pan. We're out of space. Pan. Take it to the next tunnel here. And I set the keyframe I Yeah, so let's go jump, jump, jump. Yeah. So let's up this way and press keyframe your location. Jump, yes. You can see this there's a little rest in between. Rest, jump, jump, rest, jump. Yeah. Then here there'll be like a long rest. Jump, jump, then you're gonna rest and take the next big blow to hit the big guy. So press let's say keyframe the location now. Yeah, yeah. Then you're gonna rest and then take the leap, the big jump for the big guy, right? So jump, push. Let's say around here, I want it to like from here, right? It's gonna take off from here. So we're gonna like time it. I'm just saying, gonna like jump and then hit him here. So at this point, I'm just gonna like bring this guy up down here to hit the big guy. I just put it here, for example, yeah. And then set a keyframe for your location. So just gonna come like this and jump and hit him. So I want him to flip in the air, like just flip like parkour and hit the guy. So I'm going to go to the middle around here and bring it up. Yeah, I'll pick it. Set my keyframe location, jump and then jump, push, big guy out of the way. I think it's too slow. So I'm going to like deselect all the whole keyframe, right? By clicking any blank space in my timeline, I'm just going to bring this keyframe forward, backward, sorry. Yeah, I think this is fine for now. Yes, then let's just finish up everything before we start to edit our keyframes. Well, basically just in the blocking phase, right? Yeah, so from here, it kind of rests a bit, kind of like add a keyframe here, location, and then it's just going to go into the house, basically straight up. Yeah. Let's keyframe location and then we have the rest and then just go into the house, basically. So that's all I want. So if you want to go crazy, you can make it hop into the house. But I want to save time. Just gonna like slide into the house. Yeah. So let's go back to the big guy attack. Yeah. So let's just make him have like a spin. Okay. So let's have main character spin to kick our big guy, right? So from frame 120, I'm going to set a keyframe for the rotation right here, and then at the impact frame, which is for me is 1.8, right? I'm just going to go to my rotation and just rotate this guy full circle, right? This way, and then keyframe rotation. So we should have something like this. Yeah, just something very basic. Yeah. Oh, so what the jump is too low. So in the middle, I'm just going to let's increase the jump height. Go to our move tool and then put it up right here. And then let's lock in for location, right? Let's see how that looks. Yeah, so for now, that works, right? Yes. Yeah, so let's see what we have so far. So let's take it to the beginning and play. Kill, jump, kill, jump, do the big move, X, and then going. Yeah, so that's just basic, right? So the next thing we're gonna do, we are going to we're going to like make the enemy just vanish into the ground, right? To give that effect of being dissolved, right? So let's just start from the beginning. So let me zoom in. So from frame one, just scrub through the timeline to the point where your character is hitting the enemy, right? So you're going to set a keyframe. You're going to arrow key to move your time, like your left and right arrow key. So you're just going to select this guy now, right? And then press your I, and then just let's raising just location for this, and then maybe move like three frames and just push in into the ground, and that's it. And set your keyframe for location. So let's see how that works. Yes, that's what we want. Push is off. Do you get it? So let me just look at it from here. Can you see? So it gives that impact. So same thing goes for the others. Yeah. So let's finish it up. So let's scrub through the next guy. Use your arrow key to scrub through the timeline. Select him, and then just keyframe location, move like 3 frames, and just push it down and keyframe it again. Yeah, so that's what we want. Same thing with this guy as well. Same thing, pretty same process. So I might just fast forward this part. Keyframe, just push it in. Okay, big guy to add keyframe location right, and then just move like 2, 3, like 4, and then just push it down to the ground, and then keyframe location. Yes, exactly what we want. So let's check out what we've done so far. Okay, so let's play to see. Kill, jump, hit, jump, and spin, hit, and then goes into the house. So let's do something fun with the house, right? So when our guy hit the big guy and then come to the house, let's have the house shake, have a shake impact. So let me increase our timer a bit. So let's crop the timer. So once it's immediately entering the house, right? Just immediately when enters the house, just select the house here and set the keyframe for, let's just set for location and rotation, right? And then this comes to like maybe 20 frames apart, set on that keyframe for location and rotation. Then in between, we can just rotate the house, maybe like just a little bit. Uh, let's look at it for rotation, and then go to the next, like maybe say 3 frames apart, and then go this way, and then set your keyframe for rotation. So we're gonna have something like this to give that impact. But I want it to move very fast, so we're just going to scale our keyframe. Let's to scale and then bring it this way. So press G to move it forward. It's happening too late. Yes, something like this works. Let's scale and then tighten a bit. No, I think I like it this way. So I think this works. This works. Yeah. So let's go again from beginning now. Let's see what we have. Jump, hit, jump, hit, jump, spin, hit, then go into the house. Yeah. So so that's the animation. Click on the suggested video for part 2. Thank you.